Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So, today I am going to be showing you open glass and closed glass, and that's what I'm going to be calling them for this tutorial. I don't know what you guys would call them, but I just wanted to show you something that I thought was really cool, and also that you guys could kind of experiment with. So, what I'm going to do, let's delete the default cube, and we're going to go ahead, switch Eevee out to cycles, and I'm going to go ahead and add in a UV sphere. Let's right click shade smooth on that one. G to bring it up. I'm going to make it just slightly bigger with S. Let's go with G again. And I'm going to go ahead and add a plane. So let's go S to scale for the plane. So I'm going to take this. Let's go Shift D. And I'm going to go ahead and duplicate it over. Now, with material standards in Blender, we're going to try and get the same material to this one as we will to this one, but there will be one difference. We're going to put a hole in one of these objects. So, what I'm going to do is let's go to one, which is the side view right here, and you'll see that we can't see the other one. So what we're going to do, go to view. We can go ahead with the navigation, maybe viewpoint actually. We'll go to the right so that we have both of them together. I'm going to go ahead and split the atom real quick here. So we've got the side views right there, and then I'm going to do kind of an above view right here. So we're going to go with edit mode for the secondary one. And all you want to do, let's press 7 to heaven. Take these faces just in the middle. Just as such. And I'm going to put this onto X-ray mode so you guys can see. And one for the side view, and then, you know what, actually, just go straight to the right and it'll be fine. There we go. Okay, so, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to delete these faces right here. You already have your X-ray open. We've got to go to the side edges, select everything on top, so you should have a circle right there. And we're going to go with, let's go with X-ray on this side actually. We're going to go E for extrude, bring this down. And you're going to go E for extrude, bring this into the middle. I could, in theory, select everything and then extrude it inwards. But to be honest with you, I think we have more control doing this manually. So let's go ahead and just follow the inside of the piece right here. E for extrude, just bring it round. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just give me 1 second. Oh. Sorry about that, just need to sort something out. So we're going to go E for extrude again. S for scale. E for extrude. S for scale. E for extrude. S for scale, and then E for extrude, and S for scale. So, once we've got these two objects going, what we're going to do, let's go on to just a regular view, and we're going to make both of these glass. So, what I'm going to do with this, let's go to new material. We're going to switch principal BSDF out for a glass BSDF. I'm going to take the roughness down. And we've got this glass right here. We're going to name it glass. And this is where the interesting part comes in, because this one has a hole and this one doesn't. We're going to go ahead with the drop down and change this to glass again. So both of these now hold the exact same material, exact same stuff. However, when we click render, this is what we're going to get. So as this kind of pushes itself in, so to speak, with the rendering, you can see that there's a fundamental difference between this one and this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and change the glass real quick. Sorry, duplicate the lighting real quick. Let's go ahead and just put some additional lights through. I'm going to go ahead and put some at the back as well. And now you can see that we have kind of a fishbowl effect on this one, compared to this one, which is more solid. So if I take the IOR right here and adjust it, you'll see that both of them do adjust, but they adjust very differently. So I thought I'd show you this with glass. This is something that you can definitely do. So this one's very hollow, this one is solid, and that's the kind of effects that you'll get depending on which projects you want to do. Also, let's go ahead and add let's go with a cone. I'm going to go ahead and make this green, and I'll show you the difference between the refraction of the glass. So let's go green. Pull this into there. So you'll notice on wireframe this is very small, so we go S for scale, G to bring this up. I'm going to go Shift D, and then we can render both of these at the exact same time. So now you can see the difference in between these glass pieces. If we go ahead and just amend the IOR again, we see that we've got two perfectly triangle pieces, and then as soon as we start messing around with the IOR, we have different effects. So I thought I'd just show you that one. It's a nice little neat trick that you can do with glass and with Blender. Yeah, so that's the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.